Section 52 of the CGST Acts provides for tax collection at source on electronic commerce operators like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. and GST compliances thereon. Currently, e-commerce operators are required to collect TCS at 1% on the net taxable value of suppliers made through it by its suppliers where consideration is being received by the e-commerce operators. The TCS so collected will be deposited in the cash ledger of the supplier and a net payment will be made to the supplier after deducting the commission service charges and the TCS thereon. However, there was no clarity where more than one electronic commerce operator was involved in a single transaction. Hence, in 50th GST Council meeting held on 11 July 23, it was decided to issue clarification, and accordingly Circular 194 CGST has been issued in this regard. Where multiple e-commerce operators are involved, the buyer side e-commerce operator will be required to collect the tax collected at source and do the GST compliance. Seller side e-commerce operator need not do any GST compliance in this regard. Where supplier itself is an e-commerce operator, then buyer side e-commerce operator will be required to collect the TCS and do the GST compliances. Should you need any clarification in this regard, kindly connect to us at corporate@bitsolindia.com. Thank you.